Computer scientists, and especially hardware engineers, are responsible for building our ever-evolving world. And as students grow to fill these jobs, schools and teachers must have the tools they need to set them up for success with real-world, hands-on learning. Patchr enables teachers to confidently prepare their students in the classroom with our easy-to-use and intuitive software. With impact-focused lessons, students can design their own innovations while learning about the components and how they work in order to create real electronics. With customized kits manufactured and shipped, students are able to confidently assemble their own devices right in the classroom, bringing design to reality. With Patchr in every classroom, you can help bring all students' visions to life and prepare the next generation of innovators. Patchr teaches students to be curious, creative, and resourceful, building electronics they can be proud of, and can even have real-world impact. Every student can build. So let's build better together.